All right, so if you watched the last video, I was telling you, hey man, I gotta move in this van. And I was worried about the space, right? So I just wanted to show you, like, coming from a truck. This is the storage that I'm coming from, right? So, yo, I don't even know how to open this, to tell you the truth. This one, you know, I switched trucks. I don't even know how to mess with this right here. So you got this cabinet though. You got this cabinet, some stuff in there. You have a fridge, which my fridge is way bigger than this, right? So this is, if I would have bought the other van, I would have had a fridge similar to this, maybe slightly bigger, right? And of course the bed. Now, excuse me, my bed is not too much bigger than this in the van, but it's bigger. But I'll tell you what, the mattress is this is way better mattress, but the bed, you know, but I like the mattress in the van. It's cool. I like the space, I should say. This is a double bunk. Kind of use this for storage, which I won't have. So I have no overhead storage right in the van. Here, that's some storage. We got cleaning supplies. And of course, actually, you know, see, a lot of these cabinets, they're big, right? Big. And if you remember in the van, this is big. I just had those little things, you know, little things like this, right? So you have some overhead storage, which I don't have any of these nooks and crannies, right? You even have some storage under here and then over here. So it shouldn't be a big deal to, I don't know if I can reverse this. So I'm gonna have to keep it this way. I don't even know if I can reverse it. Don't want to mess up the video. Maybe I can do another video. How about that? All right, so it's hot in here. I'm sweating. I don't got the AC on because I wanted to make a quality video. What was I saying? Yeah, so with the power editing, I'm back. I was able to flip it with the power of editing. Anyway, so I was struggling with the van. Basically, coming from this to the van, it really shouldn't be a big deal, but just kind of show you where I'm kind of coming from, because I'm in this a lot for the month, right? So in the van, I'll actually be in this more than I am in the van. So it really shouldn't be that much different. But I guess when you're coming from a house, coming from an apartment, you're like, man, my stuff, I don't have it. You know, like, I'm going to go home and get to my stuff. But now my stuff is in the van, all of it, you know, so that's what I guess I have to get used to. So anyway, I just wanted to share with y'all the all the space. You know, I know there's not a lot of people that been inside a rig, and all the rig drivers know, you know, all the space in here. This little step right here is used to kind of step up and, you know, get yourself up here. So yeah, everyone knows the space if you drive a rig, but so a lot of people on this channel don't know. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later, man, for the next one. Peace.